Calm down, calm down.
Chase the monkey out!
No, don't freak out.
They're trying to get out. Look at the mess they made.
You scared of him,
No, you just stood on my foot.
Where'd they go?
Oh, sorry. Go back up.
Yeah.
We'll get them out. Where have they gone?
Behind that curtain.
They're behind the curtain trying to break the window open.
What happened to your cookies?
They're on the floor!
They made one hell of a mess.
Yeah, they did. Oh my gosh, look at the apples they ate. Oh.
Which curtain? That one?
Yeah, that one.
They might fly at you, so...
Yeah.
Get the chair. We'll move the chair.
Look at the mess.
Get the
they
broom,
made.
Here we go. Such a trick.
Who left the door open?
No, we just opened it. We just opened it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Is it there?
You sure it's here?
I
because look,
don't think it's...
it climbed on that top bit. I just saw it up there.
It was banging on the window.
Yeah.
Sure it's not?
It's being very quiet. It's still not out? No.
Where the hell have they gone? How did it get in before? The window?
No, because the windows are closed. Unless the wind has just shut them. Go around the bottom, kind of bang it with...
They disappeared.
Somebody go around the other side, outside,
Oh yeah, go outside.
and then...
There it goes! I see its tail!
There it is.
It's
You
up,
see
it's
its
in the
tail.
middle.
Yeah, it's right
It's
there.
staring at us.
It's right there. So they can see it.
Go for the middle bit.
It's just
Yeah,
hiding.
it's hiding.
Oh, clever. See its tail.
Oh, I see its tail.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know.
Oh, it's two of them.
There's two!
You getting it on video?
Go.
Oh.
Look at them!
Yeah, go.
Get out of our house! I'm sorry! It ran out the door! There's another one.
Oh my god.
Go.
Look at it! Oh, shit! They ran up the steps!
You went upstairs kicking.
Is it coming down?
Oh my
Not yet.
It tracked mud everywhere.
Is it upstairs? Is it
Yeah, it will not. Is the door open?
Okay, bring home not.
No, right? Who's willing to go up the steps?
I'll go in.
Up. There we go. That one ran out.
Yeah, it went upstairs and then it ran out. It's that mud it's left on at the wall.
Yeah.
Is the door open?
Yes, in your room.
Oh!
Go. Oh, and it's like nice little presents for you all.
Yeah. Nice little friend. How did it
I
get
have
in?
no idea where it is.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna jump in the shower.
Ew.
No,
Is that poop or is that mud?
How did you open this?
I have no idea. Where?
It's under that bed.
Which bed?
This one.
Furthest the conservatory door.
Oh, the maze. Have you opened the conservatory?
Yeah.
Oh good, so it's going to go out that way, hopefully.
Not necessarily.
It could just jump and run. I see it.
I don't know where. How can it? Is it not bright enough to go that way?
Well, it wasn't, they weren't.
Whose bed is that? Oh, there it went. It went. It went. It went. Oh my gosh.
Right. Going to the foot now.
It's gone.
That is your friend.
I know. I don't know if that's mud or if that's poop. Oh god. How did they get in? Who left the door open? Look at the. Oh my gosh.
How? I don't understand how they actually got in because all that's closed down.
Look at the mess that they made. What happened to your cookies, Valerie?
Oh, it's the kitchen windows.
Through the kitchen windows and the wind closed them.
Yeah, because the.
Oh my
And then
gosh.
they were trapped in here.
All my
They-
cookies. All the cookies.
They made a mess. Look at the food. Look at the table.
I need to get rid of the crap first. They've got
I'm
plastic
going in the
bags.
shower.
Okay, go ahead. And I'm gonna go after Katie. Is that okay, everyone?
You're gonna go where?
Oh, no,
after,
after Katie.
yeah.
I just need to grab one more thing for us
Alright.
Oh, we gotta clean up now.
You gonna put that video on internet?
Yeah.